Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on oil and USO. So the weekly chart consolidated and formed a long lower wick of bulls buying the dip. That new support is 54.89. I love leaving this downtrend line here because that is when we knew to go bullish, when we broke 50.40, and that was 16% ago from the highs up in the 58 region. So certainly very significant signal that downtrend breaking was, and you can see how significant the bull action has been over the last few months. So we consolidated, nothing wrong for the bulls, very healthy consolidation at this point. Strong end to the week. We had a potential bear flag on this daily time frame, and the bulls certainly negated that with big time follow through just Friday and closed up at the high. So look at this 4-hour time frame. We had a weak bounce attempt, a pretty insignificant reaction to the inventory report, and then just Friday the bulls were ripping and closing very strong. We're close to getting into overbought on the 4-hour time frame. We didn't consolidate much on the way up. If we were looking for a shorter term support, it's down here at 55.75, and the bulls want to maintain that level in order to keep the hourly higher lows intact. So a very significant recovery. We do have a bunch of resistances to be watching. I'm looking at 57.13 and 57.32 as the next levels that clearly stand out. But the bulls on the daily time frame certainly comfortable with that new higher low established. And essentially, as long as we can hold that level for the next few weeks, bulls are just fine. USO on the daily time frame, healthy consolidation. So we broke out, we lost the upper Bollinger Band as support, we then consolidated for about 6-7 days, we held the middle Bollinger Band support, and now the bulls are showing back up with a volume spike. We're looking for a bull MACD spike, and we're looking for the price to head back towards the recent high of 1163. So if we can't break 1163 on this move and we top out, we'll look for an equilibrium pattern on the daily time frame with a tightening range, lower highs, higher lows, and look for a clear break after that. But that's looking a bit ahead. First things first, we need to see the bulls follow through from this move. Weekly time frame, there's that long lower wick establishing support now at 1102 and trying to see follow through after 1163. We're looking at 1165. There's a lot of resistance in these 1160s, and after 1165, we're looking up at 12 psychological. So bulls in full control, new base of support as our guide and benchmark to make sure the bulls are remaining in full control, and we'll see if we can head up to higher highs this coming week as we head into the end of the year, certainly seeing some bullish action. And again, it's the weekly chart with a lack of resistance, and really the next resistance range we're looking at was from about 56 to 60. Let's see, the high was 62. So 56 to about 63 is the range of price action here, and we're hitting that resistance right now. And if the bulls can get through it, look how much upside potential we have. After 62.56, there is very little resistance all the way through the 60s, 70s, and 80s. So that would be the significant break. That's what the bulls are salivating over, and we'll see if we can get there. Probably going to take some time in 2018 as we don't have much time left here this year, but that is something we're keeping an eye out for now that we did get a higher high by breaking the 55.21 high from back at the start of the year. So thanks for tuning in. We'll continue to check in, and I hope you have a good rest of your weekend.